The vast majority of court hearings and trials are currently being conducted remotely using online video platforms. It's expected that even once the pandemic restrictions have been lifted, that these online hearings will continue. For a start, it's a lot cheaper for the court to conduct hearings online rather than having parties physically attend in person. For that reason alone, I think we can expect them to feature prominently in the future. So it's important that we give some consideration as to how best to prepare for these online hearings and trials, whether you're a claimant, a defendant, or simply giving witness evidence. There's a few important points you can bear in mind. The first is the online video platform that the court will be using. Normally this has been Skype for Business, but it will vary from court to court. You'll be sent a link from the court in advance via email. It's very important that you check that the link works and that you've downloaded all of the necessary software to enable you to access the online video platform. You should also take that opportunity to make sure that your speakers and microphone are working correctly on your device. The second point to consider is the electronic bundle, which will be prepared well in advance of the hearing and should take the form of one long PDF document which will be indexed, bookmarked and paginated. So make sure you have the electronic bundle and make sure you can navigate your way through it and locate documents quickly and easily. Thirdly, once the proceedings have commenced, you should consider them as if you were in a physical courtroom yourself. So don't be eating during the proceedings, make sure you're dressed smartly and have your microphone muted when you're not required to speak. Please do also bear in mind that it is contempt of court to take any videos or photographs of the proceedings, and that will include a screenshot from your device. Fourthly, when you're required to give witness evidence, make sure you are in a room on your own. Make sure it's a very quiet room with a good internet connection. Make sure your face can be seen clearly on the video and ideally, if possible, position yourself in front of a plain wall background. Finally, once the proceedings are finished or during any breaks in the proceedings, do make sure that you are properly logged out of the online video platform before you make any comments or have any discussions regarding the proceedings or the participants. Unfortunately, over the last 6 months, there have been several reports of comments and discussions being overheard by the other side and even on occasion by judges. So do make sure that you are properly logged out before you have any debrief discussions.